So we go to File, New, Part, OK. That launches the SolidWorks window. We're going to come over here and select Front Plane. Left click on Front Plane, and the pop-up menu that appears, we can select the first one there, which is Sketch. So we're going to create a sketch on the front plane. You'll see the plane rotates itself around 90 degrees, so we can draw onto it normal too. The next thing I do is I'm going to go up here and I'm going to draw two center lines. So I'm going to go to the line command, little arrow to the right hand side of the line command. I'm going to click on that, scroll down to the second option, which is center line. Select that. Look down here and draw a line through the origin. I'm going to finish that, press escape on my keyboard. I'm going to repeat the process, draw another center line, and draw through the origin again, over as far as there. Okay? You see my units have changed, so I'm just going to change them there myself. Shouldn't need to do that. Okay, the next thing to do, we go and get a center rectangle, down and select the arrow to the right hand side of rectangle, go down to center rectangle, second option down, and down here, with the origin as the center, we draw a rectangle. Now we have a rectangle drawn any size. What we need to do is we need to go and get the smart dimensions. We click on smart dimension. We want to smart dimension the vertical line on the left hand side into the vertical center line in the middle. I want to change the distance to the 6. I'm going to do the same on the other side. So I'm going to on the horizontal side. So I'm going to go on the horizontal to the horizontal center line. I'm going to click on 6. Okay. So there's my center rectangle done. Now, the next thing I need to do is I need to go in here and I need to draw a circle with the origin as the center. I'm going to draw a circle here, which is going to be diameter 14 or radius 7. So smart dimension, click on the circle and click on 14. Okay. Then what we need to do is we need to go into trim. So we're going to go and trim the bits that I don't want. So build this line from here to here, this circle and so on. So go up to trim, make sure power trim is selected. Now again, with trim is basically the line of death. So anywhere, when holding on the left mouse button, anywhere I draw around, you'll see that's going to cut it away. So we'll come in here and cut this. Hold on the left mouse button, you just drag it in and cut the bits that you don't want. So you're just trying to take out and create the outline of the drawing that you see in front of you. Again, it's a bit tedious. You can zoom in it makes it easier for you, that you're not going to jump and accidentally cut away a line that you don't want to cut away. Now, there's our outline there. Finish with trim, so I click on the green thing. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to put in the circles. So I click on the circle command, so the holes on the outside of the gasket. I want to come up here and I want to click on the center line as the diagonal center line as the center, and any size of the ranges. And I'm going to come in there and I'm going to put in some smart dimensions. Smart dimension to the center to the line. And the center to the line is 1 millimeter. Then I can smart dimension the actual size itself. So the circle is 1.2 millimeters in diameter. Okay. Again, it's just repeating that process on the 3 other aspects. So one circle, click on the center line, click again.